Hello everyone, Coach Melvin here, and for today's video, we're going to learn counting pips and points when we are trading Forex. So looking at the price, example, EURUSD. Tingnan mo yung price, 1.12345. Nag-trade ka, naging 1.12369. Pagbilang natin yan, tingnan nyo lang from the last decimal, yung movement, patras. So 45 to 69, that's a plus 24. Pag kinuha nyo mula sa end of decimal point, ang tawag dyan points, so that's plus 24 points. But since it's 10 point equals 1 pip, so 24 points is equals 2.4 pips. Kung USD JPY, ganun din. Let's say you traded 154.455, naging 154.485, 55 to 85, plus 30 points. 30 points is 1 pip, so 30 points is equals to 3 pips. Alright, so itong pip measurement or yung tinatawag na price action measurement. So learn more on our upcoming videos. Thank you and goodbye.